Hi everyone and welcome to Fun Technology. Today I'm going to show you how to make a counting number effect in Capcut. So let's get started. So first, I've imported a black screen to be our background. You can change it as you want. Then we go to text and click on plus button to default text. Here we write our first number. I'm going to make a counter from 0 to 10. You can adjust it as you want. Then we will take for the font Ruby. You can choose whatever you want. Size 30. Make it bold. I keep the color for now white. For the animation, I will choose the pop-up animation. Then we use the right button and we click on it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 frames are enough. Then we'll split it, erase the rest, and we click on Alt, then drag and drop. Make it bigger as the last number should last more. So I will change the numbers. So I will try to play the video. As you have seen, this is a counter. So if you like the video and find it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you.